Okay, well, yeah, I see you in a minute then, Mark. You know what I'm saying? I see you real soon, Mark. Say it again, Mark. Say it again.
Man, I'll be looking for a second. I got my niece with
Okay.
carpool. You already know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I already know, bro.
See you in a minute, brother. See you in a minute, brother.
Okay, Mark. All right, man. All right.
All
All right, later on. Yes, sir. Now I am in Lancaster. I'm in LA area. I'm going downstairs real quick. Sound check time. I need to give myself a shave. I might find a barbershop out here. I think I might do that. Let's go, y'all. We out here in Lancaster location. Water going down. Yes, 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 yes. It's hot and sunny out here. Right now, it is hot out there, man. It's 2013. Drake gonna set some in the shade. And that's how we do it, man. Yeah. Let's go to sound check. I keep saying that, but we really gonna do this. This is before the fame. This channel right here is before the fame. Things I did before the fame came. Sound check time. Hey, Mark right there. Mark right there. Where we at, man?
Lancaster, man.
What's going on in Lancaster, man?
Doing the big, man. You know, just doing us, man. You know, just having fun at sound check right now. I ain't started yet.
Yeah.
But you know, it's finna go down tonight. Hammer time.
It's 2013.
And you know, we still out of. You already know what that means.
All right.